scratching at the walls. Come and love me half to death, drive my body off the edge, like the way you make me crawl. I'm floating through hell and back.